In this video, I'll show you how to easily change the color of blog post titles on the blog page in Shopify Dawn theme. And for the purpose of this example, I change the color of the titles to red. So at first, let's log into Shopify admin account, then select Online Store. Now look for your current theme, in my case it's Dawn, then select Customize. Once the editor loads, at the top, click on drop-down menu, then select Blocks, Default Blog, then on the left under Template, click on Blog Posts, and then expand the Custom CSS section. We'll be adding the custom CSS we're writing here, but at first let me go back to my website and get the class selector for the blog titles. Let me right-click on one of them, then select Inspect. Okay, let's take a look. We'll select the element with two classes, card double underscore heading and h2, and let's also target the A tag. Perfect. Let's go back to the editor. Let's add the following rule. Type period, card, double underscore, heading, period, h2, space, A. Now open left and right curly braces. Place the cursor in between, then press enter. On the next line, type color, colon. Then go to Google and type color picker in the search. Let me get the hex code for the red color. Let's select this one. Make sure to copy the hex code including the hashtag. Then let's go back to the editor. Let's paste it right here. And make sure the semicolon is added at the end. And finally, once you're done, don't forget to save the changes. Now let's go back to the blog page. Let's try refreshing it. And as you can see in this example, the blog post titles are now red color, and this change will be reflected on desktop and mobile version of the site. Let's take a look at mobile version. Let me right click and let's select Inspect. Now let's switch to responsive design mode. Let's pick Galaxy S20. And that's what the blog post titles look like on mobile devices. So for now, that's all for this video. I hope you found it useful, and for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.